This is the new LG G7 ThinQ, and one of the first things you'll notice is the bright screen. So it can go up to 600 nits when it's and it goes up to 100%. But what's interesting is if you press this button over here, it will go into boost mode, which goes up to 1000 nits. Which is extremely bright and especially useful when you're suddenly in sunlight. You can just turn it on to enable boost mode. Now, moving on to the Boombox. If you play music, by itself it's still quite loud, but if you put it on the table, so it will use the vibration from the phone, which will transfer over to the vibration of the table, which creates amplified sound as well as a much better bass as well. And finally, moving on to the AI camera. So the AI camera, if you turn it on, if you put it on an object like this one, it will not only detect individual objects that you see here, and then it will show you what kind of mode it is in this case flower mode, and it will give you 4 different filters to choose from if to give you more variety of choice and to get you the right picture. And here's another example. So right now it's food, and you see options pop up as well for this one, and you can also select 4 different types.